This is BMW's new iVision circular concept car. The egg-shaped design makes it aerodynamic, and while it's small, it's also spacious. The iVision Circular only has a footprint of around 13 feet. But it's not the design or even the car's impressive animated headlights that make it so interesting, but its recyclability.
There is a vision about recycled only use of secondary material. So that means everything what we use here on this car is secondary material, but it is designed to be disassembled to reuse it again.
The car is made of 100% recycled materials, but the BMW spokesperson says they want this car, and other future cars like it, to be disassemblable, allowing manufacturers to take parts from the car and use them again, without having to reproduce the parts, which requires raw resources and energy, or letting them find their way into a landfill or junkyard, possibly for an eternity. It's a novel concept that could change the way we think about car production forever.